Okay, guys, just a very quick one. First of all, I want to welcome you and congratulate you for having your hand on this video training. So it's going to be a very straightforward and short one. All this video is about to help you get is to help you make money on forex market trading, most especially on indices. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be showing you the secret I've been using to make money on bear and bull market. Okay, so I wouldn't want to bore you with a lot of unnecessary talk, so I'm just going to go straight to the main trading uh, point. So first and foremost, uh, if you check on the video I sent to you, or if you have not watched any of my video on how to on YouTube, you will get uh, to watch how to set up a lot of things, how to sign up to your dairy, but I'm still going to recap the whole thing very quickly. Okay, so there is a link. There is a link in this product on the drive document I sent to you, how to sign up on deriv.com. So just click on the link and it will take you straight to this page. Okay, so if you have Deriv account, that is binary.com account, you don't need to just log in. Okay, just log in with your details. But if you don't have, or you wish to open a new account, you just go straight to, you scroll down, then you will see don't have account, create a new. So you just click on create a new account and it will take you through the process on how you can create a new account. So by starting with your email, and they will send you a message to your email to continue. Okay, if you enter your email, you say create a demo account. Okay, they are going to create a demo account for you, while you will complete the account process through your email. Okay, when you are done completing your account, after you enter your email and create a demo account, they will ask you to go and continue by going to your email. You will see the email they sent to you. Click on the link that is attached to that email to take you to complete your account. Once you complete your account, you will be issued or be given a free demo account with a certain amount of money that you can use to trade. Okay, then from there, from the account you open, you will see account. Okay, you can from there now open a account. Okay, so everything you will see, the whole system is going to be very straightforward. Okay, it's going to be very straightforward. I don't want to go straight on how to can register on this. It will take us a long journey. Okay, all you do is just click on the link on how to register on the Deriv account. It will take you to the normal procedure. Okay, then you come to this page, you enter your email, it will prompt you and tell you what to do next. Okay, so once you've succeeded in opening your account, well, the next thing to do first is to verify your account. Okay, you need to verify your account, because without verification you will not be able to get paid. Okay, you can't withdraw, you can deposit. You know, it's common to every, even bank, the physical bank you use, without you verifying your account, upgrading your account with your national ID card, they will not allow you to withdraw, but you can deposit. So the same way it is here, you can deposit, but during withdrawal you'll be restricted. Okay, so that is why it's important, after you have registered, you go to verify your account, to verify your account. Okay, so that is it. Once you are done with the registration and verification of account, then you can decide to fund your account with any amount you want to start trading with. You at least a minimum of $10, but if you have up to $100, $50, I will advise you start with $50 and above. Okay, $50, $100, or you can start with $10, but your account $10 will not be compared with somebody who is trading with $100, $500, $1,000. In fact, if you have enough money, $1,000 is advisable to start trading forex. It applies to all forex trading. It will reduce your stress of getting to your target on a daily basis. So it's good you start with a good capital if you have up to that. But if you don't have up to that, $10 is enough for you to start trading with. Okay, so that is that. Once you are done with account registration and funding verification, all you need to do again is to log into your account, and it will take you to where you can trade. Okay, where you can trade. So you open a platform like this. Okay, so by the time you open a platform like this, you will be I'm going to, the strategy I am showing you on this video is how to trade on bull and bear market with a good potential profit margin. Okay, how to make a good profit from trading the bull and bear market. Okay, so this is where you can select any currency you want to trade. Okay, you can see here we are on volatility 75. So by the time you click on it, it will bring you. So if you are trading on forex, this is forex, this indices, stock indices, this cryptocurrency. In my next video or in my next product, if you check on my product page, you will see the cryptocurrency trading strategy there. So you can also get your hand into it if you want to be trading on cryptocurrency. Okay, so but that is not where we are working on today. So today we are just working on bull and bear market. So you can see from the indices, from the synthesis, this synthesis, then to bring out this particular place, then you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. So okay, you can see this bear market and this bull market. These are the two markets I want you to work on today. Okay, these are two markets I want you to focus on and use it to make money for yourself. That is, so I can the same strategy you will use for bear market is the same strategy you will use for bull market. Okay, but I'm going to use one to explain the whole stuff very well for you. Okay, so don't worry, I am going to explain the whole stuff for you. Okay, so if you check here, this is where you enter your trades. You might be using phone, so or whichever way you are using, you'll be able to select time. You can see you have fall and rise here, then you have minutes, or so a minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay, so if you are trading on 1 hour, you know what to select. If you're trading on 2 hours, you know what to select. Okay, so but we are trading on 1 hour. Okay, so if I'm trading for instance on 2 hours, 2 hours is 120 minutes. Okay, 120 minutes, while 4 hours is 240 minutes. So you can calculate that to enter your trade. Okay, to enter your trade. So back to our main trading today. Okay, back to our main trading today. So okay, This is where we are. So this is the hour and candle trading format. Okay, if you don't have, if your own is like this, which is online chart, if your online chart, this is where you change it to candle chart. Okay, this way you say you select candle chart. Okay, and what are you trading with? Is it minute or I advise with this my strategy? I advise you trade on 1 hour. Okay, I advise you use a 1 hour candle. So a candle make up 1 hour. That is this candle now. This candle, this last candle will run for 1 hour before any other candle open. That's what it means. Okay, that's what it means. So if you are trading on 10 hours, 5 hours, that means you will select, that is means your trade is going to run for 5 candle, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, right. So that is it. Then how do you add indicator? You can see the indicators I have here. They are just 3 indicator. Okay, I have 3 indicator. This is a moving average. Okay, this moving average, and this is Parabolisa. You can see this red point here. It is Parabolisa, and this is MACD. Okay, this is where you select your indicator here. You click on it. See this, I already have it here. That is why you can't see. It's not. It's already here. Okay, but when you click on it before you set up, this is what you have. So if you click on trend, if it's not here, if it's here direct, like the moving average is here direct, so you can click on it and it will activate. But if it's not here, you just click on search. And let's assume you want to search moving average. You see it's already there. You go click on it to activate it. Then if you want to Parabolisa, it's already here. You activate it by clicking on it. Then if you want MACD, okay, see here, you just activate it. So that's how to add your signals. Okay, your indicators, I mean your indicators. And these indicators, I will tell you what it does. Okay, will tell you what it does and how you can make use of it. So right now we are done with how you come to this page and how you set up your indicator. Okay, so here we have from this you can see this vertical line, this black vertical line. So from here to here is 24 hours. Okay, from this place to this place is 24 hours, and from here to here is 24 hours. Okay, from this place also to here is 24 hours. So you can see today is 16. Okay, and see the way the candle is 16 also. So until it gets to this place, and the way this market work 24 hours. Okay, it's work 24 hours, and it is a bear market. What we mean by bear market means sell is a sell market, something that goes down. That is, the channel, the trend is always downward trend. Okay, the trend is always downward trend, and this makes it easy for you to not just do a lot of analysis by yourself, but you can decide to just place a trade on a direction that this market is a bear market, and you will make money. Okay, you will make money. You will make money. You can see this market right now. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is 7, and out of this 7 market, you only, if you place your trade on 5 hours or 24 hours, you would have been in profit the first day, the second day, then the third day you be in profit, but you can close your market at a reduction price, at a price that you will not lose your total entering price. Okay, you will not lose your total entering money. Okay, you see, assuming you enter at this point, you would have discovered from here to this place that this market may not, or is not going the right direction. Okay, so you would have either closed, or if you leave it for the market to run throughout the whole of that day, that is, if you enter your market for 24 hours, you see, even if you either make profit or a little loss. Okay, because you can see even after the market went to a very high level, it still came down to almost your entering level. So which means even if you would be losing money at that particular time, you would be losing just a fraction of your money. So that is the third day. Then the fourth day, you would have made money also. Okay, because you can see your entry level here, and you can see where the market got to before it moved back. So it depends on when you are watching the market and when you close your market. Okay, depends on how the market from of that day is moving, or moved, or was moving. So so you see, the 50th day you would have been on profit, the 60th day in profit. So out of 7 days, you only have 3 days that the market struggle. 3 days that the market struggle. Okay, that even if at all, if you have been monitoring your the market, you would not make a total loss. Your loss will just be a fraction of what of your stake, okay, of your trading capital. So that is this, that is that, that is that. So, and this market, this market open every 24 hours. Okay, by 12:59 12:59 African time, at 1 +1 GMT. It depends on your time 24 hours, you calculate your 24 hours, but for African time, GMT +1 GMT, it's the market open around 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock a.m. Okay, so you might set your alert, your phone alert, to wake you up if you've been sleeping at that particular time to enter trade, or you can decide to trade during the day. Okay, whichever way you choose, it's all left for you. It's all left for you. So, but the secret that you bought here, the secret that you bought here, okay, because you might have already been a forex trader and be making money, but this secret, the purpose you buy, that push you or make you to buy this course, is to give you the simple secret of how you can capture a good amount of money from bear and bull market. Okay, and this is it, and this is how it works. You know, I told you initially that this market is a bear market. You can see bear market index, and the rule says that the market will always come downward. Okay, you can see move downward. So if you are drawing any channel, it should be a downward channel. That is how the market is programmed to run. So, but when the market is now going against, like what it did here, instead of it to come down, it's now going up. The market is now going up instead of it coming down. It means the market is going against the trend, the normal market trend. So the market, the trading will pay you ×2 for risking because you are taking a risk, because this market is a downward trend market and you are now trading it that is going to go up. So it's just like you now gambling, you now predicting and gambling that what is not possible is possible. Okay, and because of that the company will now pay you double. Okay, so this is it. You see, I selected 1 hour. You can select more than 1 hour. I can't select more than 1 hour. This is 10, 11, 12. I just have 2 hours time. Okay, but let me just use this one as an example. If you are trading, select your time to be 5 hours to 10 hours to 15 hours. Okay, so you'll be able to correct some error. 15 hours to 24 hours. Okay, select your trading time to 15 hours. Calculate the minutes that make up to 24 hours. That is 60 minutes times 24. Okay, you know what it will give to you. Okay, so or 15 hours. Okay, that is 60 minutes times 15. Okay, multiplied by 15, it give you. So that is the minute you put here. Where I want you to put a long hour time is for you to make correction in case if the market is going against you, like where you enter a trade now that the market will come down, and instead of it to come down it went up, like what happened here. Assuming you enter trade here that the market will be coming down, but instead it went up. Okay, so you see what happened after it got to this level, it dropped to this level back. So if you have entered like 2 hours or 3 hours time, you see that you lose your money. But if you have entered your trade to like 15 hours, you would come back to make money, or even close at a break even. Okay, close at a break even. So always select a longer hours for trading this market, so that you can have option. You have option to sell at a appropriate time. Okay, so now the secret that you bought is this. You see, whenever you open, I said you can trade either during the midnight, during the 1 a.m., or you wait during the day. Anytime you open your trading platform, you set your trading to bear market or bull market. The same strategy apply to both. The only thing is that you trade them vice versa. Okay, so and like this particular trade now, you can only enter sell now because the market is coming down to its own direction. Okay, and by the time you said you want to enter it the main direction, you see how much it will be giving you. If you enter, that is 4 sell. Okay, that is the normal direction. You see you will be making 75% profit, which is $76. Okay, but if you are not trading, if you say this market no, it's going to go up, it's going to go up back, that means you are trading against the market principle, and the company will pay you ×2, 120%. Okay, you will be earning 120% for taking that risk. Okay, so you see the difference now. So what am I driving into right now? This is what I'm driving into. How do you know when this market will push up instead of it coming down, so that you can take the advantage to enter a bull instead of a bear? So you enter a buy direction instead of a sell direction. Okay, so this is what you do. You will just watch this moving average. You can see the moving average running below. You can see this moving average. You can see that when this market breaks out, it jumped above the moving average, and the moving average was below the candles, so and when you watch the first move, you discover that this market went up to this level and later dropped down, and by the time the market is dropping down or drop down, is settled at this point. And what happened at this point? You go back and you see that from the first start, the first move, I don't like the way this thing is causing obstruction. Okay, you can see that the first move, caused, okay, you can see at this level. Let me use this, okay, horizontal line. I think this will help to okay, can you see this particular place now? I place this arrow, so you can see that there is this at this particular place it has formed a, what should I call it, a support. Okay, this has formed a support to this particular place, and by the time the market dropped to this particular place, it pierces, but was pushed back. Okay, it pierced but was pushed back by the market force, and you can see this small hammer. So this small hammer now tells you that there is a market force that has reversed this market trend to move back. And when you watch the moving average, is still below, which means it's still supporting this market to keep going up. Okay, it's still supporting the market to keep going up, and you can see that the first candle attempt tried to drop but was later pushed back, and the next other candle opened but was also pushed back. So by the time this market formed, this green candle formed, after it closed, okay, at this candle, at the next candle, you cannot enter buy. It's either you enter buy from this candle, let's say 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes before it closes, you can enter buy, or wait for it to close and enter buy from this candle. What we are looking here is not to take a bigger advantage. Okay, we just want to take advantage of the market by taking profit out of the little move. You see, if you have taken buy here, we are not saying that you wait for this candle to take the profit. That is a huge profit, but we are not saying you should wait to take it. But when you enter buy here, because of the force that the company is paying you ×2, and you are taking the advantage of this market that reverse, that is trading against the market trend, you will quickly make profit. So that is why I said if you have up to $100, $1,000, you can use a good money, and it will help you to get a good profit easily. You can see now with $10, if you are having a $100 account, okay, with $10 entry stake, with $10 capital trading, that is your trading investment, you can make $23 if you trade against the market. If you trade on the normal market, you can make $18, okay, which is $8 profit. But here you having $13 profit. So if you enter a trade, for instance, let me just enter this trade and you see what I mean. Okay, you can see $12 just immediately. $12. Okay, but now it has dropped. But don't worry. Okay, if you are using this strategy based on what I just explained to you, don't worry when it enter 0 0, that is minus, or that is loss. Okay, just keep watch. Okay, just keep watch. Just a little move. Okay, just a little move, you will be in profit, and take that profit. Okay, if you enter on this investment now with let's this $10, you don't wait to take $5 or $3, $4. You say no. You know you are trading against the market, so I wouldn't want you to be greedy. I don't want you to be so greedy that the market. You look at what happened. If you have enough money, if you are the type that trade $1,000, when you enter this type of market, you can wait. Okay, you can wait to take up to 2 or 3 candles and see what will happen. Okay, that is a risk on its own. You just put the $10 and say, let me see what will happen. So you can then wait for 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. Okay, don't wait for 1 candle. For instance, if you enter on this candle, you should expect to take profit from here. Okay, if you enter from here, you should expect to take profit. Hence is here at this level, because there is a resistance here. Okay, the market may pull back. If the signal is not strong, it may pull back. So you may take profit here and wait to enter another one by the time this one open. Okay, so but that is not the objective. The objective of this trading strategy is for you to pick the profit with that difference, with that little change. Okay, you can see what I'm just telling you now. Okay, with the little difference that the market will make, you just pick a profit. Okay, the same thing happened from the other days. So, but before you enter this trade, please make sure that this candle candle chart is above the moving average, and the parabolicals are under the candle. Okay, if this moving average is above the candle, please don't enter this type of trade. It's very risky. Don't enter this type of trade. But as long as this moving average is below the candle, you can enter it. Don't enter the trade when it's at high. At this point, you see, just watch this my line. Okay, for example, you open, you can see like here now, it's not advisable. This place I enter this trade, forget the fact that I'm making profit, but it's not advisable. Don't enter it from here. Okay, the market can drop to give you a very bad negative result. So but where you are expected to enter the market is when after this move, you can see this, let me use this line, you can see this move. Okay, you can see this move, and by the time you now open your account, you discover that there is a drop to that level, of support, to that support level. Okay, so and another candle has formed to move up. You see, at this support level, the market starts ranging, starts struggling. It couldn't break out. Had it been a breakout, it may go to start trending on the market level, just like what happened here. Okay, when it moved, by the time it dropped, you see the other one break out, and the market now continue to its normal level. Okay, but here it could not break out. Okay, so that is why I said don't enter the market at the upper, like here now you came you see that the thing is moving at bullish, you enter from here. It's very risky. So wait till the candle drop. Okay, so when it drop, you see that after it dropped, the next candle was not a green candle, the second candle was not a green candle until it pierced this red line. It was not a green candle. So you should know by now that this market is already moving to its direction. You see, you can see the trade now. It's already $3. Okay, already making $3. See what I told you. So it shouldn't be greedy. At this point now, I can close and take that profit. So imagine if it's $100. You see, I used $10 for this trade. Imagine if it's $100. This thing would have been around $28 to $30 profit. Okay, so that's why I said if you use good money to start forex, it gives you less stress and good profit. Less stress, you stay less time, and you make a profit and leave the market. Okay, so that is it, guys. So like I was saying, don't enter this market here. If you want to trade against the market, don't enter it here. Enter it when after the market drop and another green candle formed. The same thing happened here. After it dropped to this level, it pulled back. So it is during this pullback green candle that you should enter the trade. Okay, during pullback with green candle that you should enter the trade. Okay, the same thing happened the next day. If you want to be trading on this on a daily basis, the same thing happen. You can still do it here. It depends on the time you wake up. Okay, depends on the time you wake up and you see the candle. Like what happened here, the moving average was below the candlestick. So at this point, if you were awake, okay, you could enter from here. You could enter from here to take a little profit. Don't be greedy. It's against the market. Don't be greedy. So whichever, by the time the market has dropped, and because this support is here and it's on green candle, just enter, buy, then take the little profit and leave the market. Okay, so by the time you wait again and the market drop, when it drop and pierce this line, moving average, and it starts moving, struggling under the moving average, under this red line, without it peering back. Okay, like after this red candle now, you are advised to enter. After this red candle, you are advised to enter, because there is nothing again that will make this market to push back to this level again. Okay, because it has already taken its own main direction, and for it to have struggled here, it wanted to pierce, to move back, or to move back to start trending up, but it couldn't. So by this candle now being red and this second one follow, you should enter sell. Okay, and like I said, the profit will be on a normal profit, okay, like 75%. But when you are going against the market, it will give you a higher profit. Okay, to give you a higher profit. So you could see, guys, you could see $4. So I can just sell now, okay, and take my profit. You see, you can just sell. That's why I say enter with a higher time frame, like 15 hours to 24 hours, so that even when the market is going against you, you can leave it and be watching, coming back in hour time, some minutes time, to watch and see if you're on profit or what. So you can see now I've made 50% of my investment. I used $10, and you see that almost $5 already. So that is the benefit and of this game, of this strategy. Okay, and the benefit of this strategy. So any day the market is on this, like this, when you wake up during the day, you log in, and the moving average is above, the market has already taken a downward trend. You cannot do any other thing than to enter a downward trend, okay, to enter a downward trend trade, okay, enter a downward trade, okay. So it is a day that you have something like this, that the market is struggling at the upper side, trading against itself, that you now try to take advantage of this reverse trading method, okay. So guys, that is the strategy, and I believe from now you will start making money with this. So you can see what happened here. You see the moving average is below the candle, and the parabolic is below the candle, and you can see. So even maybe you are asleep at this point, you are asleep. By the time it got here, it pulled back. So after this green candle, you could have entered from this candle, okay. You have entered from this candle and take a profit of up to a certain level, okay. Assuming you enter from this candle, you see, you would have taken a profit. Assuming you enter here, you would have taken a profit at this level, okay. So the same thing applies to all this method. All you see, you can see you have zigzag, up down. So whenever the market has dropped, okay, there is always an opportunity for this on a daily basis. You can see here also, by the time it's pulling on green from down, okay, like I said not from up, not when you wake up and you see that the market has moved up to this level and it's on green, you enter. No, it could pull you back, okay, it could pull you back. But like when it's from down at this level, you can see after it came down from this level, it started moving up. So from this candle now you can enter to take a profit with it very little. Don't be greedy. I will still repeat this again. Don't be greedy. It's against the market you are trading. You're just trying to catch a profit from the spike, from the misdirection that the market went to, okay. So the same thing happened here. You can see when it pulled back, you see, when it pulled back, you see. So for some risk taker, and just leave it to take like 2 or 3 candles, and that is too much money. So but I don't advise you to be waiting for all of this candle. 1 candle or half of this candle is enough. The time you enter here, assuming you enter here, this candle is enough for you. It's enough profit for you, okay. So don't be greedy. The same thing applies to all others, okay. So guys, that is how it works, okay. That's how it works. The same thing applies to bull market. The same way it applies to bull market, okay. So this is bull market, and this bull market, okay. You see, bull market, it means the market will keep going up. So when the market is going up, you earn the normal profit, like what we have here. You can see 68% is going up, but if it's going down, you earn higher profit. You see, you earn 132%, over 100% profit, okay. So, and this the same thing that happened when it's going up, like when the market break out for this very day. You see where it went up to this level. At a point it started coming down. Had it been the market continue, you'd have assumed that that day we keep on going up. But you see that the market still dropped down and entered below this moving average. So from this level now, after this market entered this below moving average, and the moving average are set towards the downward trend, you are supposed to enter a sell opposite, okay, opposite, that is the reverse direction, sell instead of buying, and the market will give you higher profit, just like the same way it happens in the bear market. So guys, that is it, and I believe you get this point. If there is anything you don't understand, you have my WhatsApp contact to get you have my WhatsApp contact to join my because I want you to use in this very material you see a link to join my WhatsApp group, so that you can reach me on WhatsApp and ask questions on where you need clarification. Okay, ask question where you need clarification. So thank you, and I believe that you are going to make use of this opportunity, and you will make a lot of money for yourself. I promise you for that. You will make a lot of money for yourself. So don't ignore this opportunity. Okay, make sure you okay, this is the other trade I entered before. This is the current one, but this is the one I entered using okay, it's another market entirely. This is 75 volatility, 75, another market entirely. So, and this market now is running for a very long time. I still have 2 30 minutes hours, so anything can still happen, and I enter this market with $100, so I'm not bothered. With just a little move, this can enter profit level. Okay, this can enter profit level instantly. So, but this is the market we are running. Okay, that is the market. So you can decide to close it. I can decide to close it. I can decide to leave it as well. Okay, I can decide to close it. I can decide to leave it. So whichever way. So, and most important thing I want to tell you is always make sure that you practice this strategy on demo account. First start using your money, and by the time you start using real money, make sure you are using at least 1% or 2% of your capital. If you're having $10 account, use 1% of it, like $1. So by the time you've mastered and you see yourself making a good profit, before you can now enter and start using up to 3% to 4%. Okay, money management is very important. You are advised to use at least 2% of your capital, okay, to trade. So thank you guys, and I know that this video has taught you something very secret that will make you money, and I urge you to keep it up and make money for yourself. Thank you very much.